to my channel, Christina Marie Taylor, no E. Welcome to you longtime subscribers, and welcome to the new subscribers. If you've seen from the title of the video, we are going to be unboxing this Priority Mail. It is from the, it is a what is it called? Tryazon. I am expecting something that I'm supposed to be reviewing from Rituals of, I don't know, you read the title? Let me just open it, okay? Maybe. Oh, there we go. Put that back there. There we go. This is their holiday set, and man, this is beautiful. This is the Ritual of Deo. I'm going to show you in just a minute. This is from the brand Rituals, and this is going to be their holiday set. And 4 calming bestsellers: a body scrub, shower foam, body cream, and a scented candle. And this is how it's going to come. This gift is the first step to creating beautiful memories. I've tried some products of theirs before, and this is the back of it. And let's see, this is good for 12 months, made in Europe, the Rituals Cosmetics Company. Anything else we need to know? You can follow them on Instagram, Facebook. They are a luxury brand. A life full of wonders is a wonderful life. This box is absolutely exquisite. And this is a first impressions video. This is the first time I'm seeing this, and this is new to me. Oh, wow. And it says right here, 100% compostable. So that is amazing. Look how beautiful this is. Now, they chose a handful of us to get a set to try out and to review. So I had really no idea which one I was going to get. Let's see. The Rituals of Deo. This is the Mindful Body Scrub. That is what that, I'm going to hold it up with the other hand. My hand is acting up, and it's not getting any better. That's what that looks like. Let's smell it. That's what I'm curious about. So yes, I'm going to open this. It's blue, like a bluish green tint to it. Oh, that smells beautiful. Very, very lightly scented, but it smells very clean. If you can see that, it's very creamy. Like, this is going to be, yes, it's very light and creamy. Very fine granules in it. Oh, this is going to be nice. And the jars are plastic. Recycled plastic. So that is amazing. Oh, I've got to smell this candle. This candle smells like the Sakura that I've had before. I think that's what it's called. My light just went out. quiet the mind and the soul will speak. And then it says something underneath it in another language. Wow. Get it really close to you. And then see down here, it says it in another language. And it says rituals down on the bottom. This is beautiful. That's amazing. And this product right here, it is the Bringing Peace and Tranquility into Your Life. Be Kind to Your Skin Body Cream. And this is 2.3 fluid ounces. I wonder why my light went out. See, I had trouble getting it to come on. And it's plugged in and everything. I wonder if it's just the connection's not very good. See, and that's very light. Oh, yes. My doctor said I have to wear a hand brace, and I didn't have one, so I'm using my husband's. Oh, wow. Very nice, not greasy at all. It rubs in to feel kind of like a powdery lotion. Not greasy. Oh, and the scent is so beautiful. I absolutely love the products that I've tried of theirs before. Now, this... Oh, there we go. This is the foaming shower gel. I have actually tried a few foaming shower gels of theirs before. It is absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. Bringing peace and tranquility into your life. White Lotus and Yi Yi Ren. That's what the container looks like. I really wish this light didn't go out. I just must have a bad connection with the, it's a USB plug-in. And I have it plugged into a, you know, the USB prong thing, you know, the wall jack things. And it must be a bad one. But anyway, these, the shower gels, the foaming shower gels, oh my goodness, they're amazing. They come out clear, and then they foam up. A little bit does go a long way, obviously. And I did not think about that, did I? Hold on, and I'll go get a towel to wipe this off. Okay, I am back and I got my towel. Sorry about that. But yes, I do highly recommend the Rituals. It's an amazing brand. They have amazing and beautiful products. I will have the link. I will have a link where you can get them down below in the description box. I know you can get them at Ulta. Yes, you can get them at Ulta. I will have that link down below to this particular box. And then when you're there, you can look at the other scents that they have available. These are perfect for Christmas is coming up. And, you know, birthdays, whatever, any holiday, whatever. This is a great This is an amazing gift set. And this box is absolutely gorgeous. This box is gorgeous. I mean, and it already comes wrapped. I mean, it has the bow on it already. Why can't I get it back together? There we go. I mean, it already comes wrapped and everything, so give it to a loved one. But that's my first impression. Is amazing. It is approved. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn the bell on. I have some amazing things coming up for you next month. A new box. Love you guys. Bye.